seems so guilty, and I'm not surprised. Teresa says something's wrong with this picture. Just can't figure out what it is.
Tell her what we've been doing. Tell her what we've been doing. Tell Mommy what we've been doing. Tell her. Tell her what we've been doing. Tell her. Tell her.
She's trying to get pregnant.
Tell her.
Take it out.
Tell her.
That doesn't make sense.
Tell Mom what you've been doing.
Something like to think she was trying to get pregnant with one man while making sure she didn't with another.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
What are we looking for? Evidence of Kay Coleman's affair. Until charges were ceased. Critica first.
Okay. Tell her. Go on. Keep telling him.
On my gambling site.
What's your story? You got one?
Blackjack.
Tell him the story.
Cards Max. It's been a hobby.
An expensive habit. Check her bank statements, please.
Tell him the story.
What's that big change in her account balance? $100,000 $45 in 6 months.
Look at all those withdrawals made out of cash. Big amount. 7,000, 8,000.
Up below the 10,000 it flags the feds.
It's snowing outside. We saw the snow. We played. We sang.
Job maybe?
We ate. We slept.
2 months earlier,
We watched the Steelers.
Burlington Reproductive.
We just had a busy day.
Gentlemen, she was selling her eggs for cash. Kay Coleman.
We had a busy day.
She's a degenerate gambler. And winds up full of suspects.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do this.
She's not worth
We're gonna be done.
Somebody.
We're gonna be done.